Welcome to Home Insurance 101, What's Covered and What's Not, presented by Professional Insurance Programs. In this quick session, we'll walk through the basics of home insurance, what each part of your policy means, the optional coverages you might not know about, and how to make sure you're properly protected. Here's what we'll cover: a breakdown of the key sections in a typical homeowner's policy, common additional coverages that many people overlook, other insurance policies worth considering to round out your protection. Let's walk through the 6 core sections of a standard home insurance policy. Understanding what each part covers and what it doesn't can help you make better decisions when reviewing or selecting coverage. Coverage A is the foundation of your home insurance. It protects the physical structure of your home, walls, roof, floors, based on replacement cost, not market value or what you paid. If you own a condo, your policy usually covers walls in, meaning the interior structure and upgrades. Be aware of your deductible, especially for wind or hail. Those deductibles are rising in many areas and may differ from your standard deductible. Coverage B protects structures that aren't attached to your home, like a detached garage, shed, or pole barn. It's usually calculated as a percentage of your dwelling coverage, but if you have larger outbuildings, that amount can often be increased. Most policies don't allow this coverage to be removed altogether, but some carriers do allow you to reduce it if you have no detached structures. Coverage C protects the things inside your home: clothing, furniture, electronics, and appliances. It's also calculated as a percentage of your dwelling coverage. Policies often have limits on certain categories, like jewelry, art, or firearms, so scheduling those items separately ensures full coverage, even for loss or theft. If your home becomes uninhabitable due to a covered event, like a fire, coverage D, loss of use coverage, helps pay for additional living expenses, such as temporary housing or meals. This coverage isn't adjustable and is based on your dwelling limit. It's a helpful safeguard during repairs, helping with temporary housing, meals, or even pet boarding if needed. Coverage E, personal liability coverage, protects you if someone gets hurt on your property or if you accidentally damage someone else's property. It covers medical expenses, legal fees, and more. We recommend a minimum of $300,000 in liability coverage for most households. Coverage F, medical payments, pays for minor injuries that happen to guests on your property. Things like stitches or ambulance rides. It typically ranges from $1,000 to $5,000 and is designed to help avoid lawsuits over small injuries. It applies regardless of fault and helps handle minor claims quickly and without legal action. Your standard policy is a strong start, but there are a few optional coverages that can make a big difference. Here are a few valuable add-ons to consider, based on real-world risks homeowners face every day. Depending on your situation, you may want to add extra protection to your policy. Sewer or drain backup covers damage from sump pump failures or backed-up plumbing. Underground service line coverage protects buried utility lines like water, gas, and internet. And special personal property expands your coverage to protect against more types of damage and loss. Some risks fall outside the scope of a standard home insurance policy. These additional policies help fill the gaps, giving you more complete protection for your property, pets, and peace of mind. Here are 2 additional policies we often recommend. First is flood insurance. Most homeowners' policies do not cover flood damage caused by heavy rain or rising water. The second is pet insurance. Vet bills can be costly. Pet insurance helps cover medical care for your 4-legged family members. That wraps up Home Insurance 101, What's Covered and What's Not, presented by Professional Insurance Programs. Our goal is to make insurance easier to understand, so you can feel confident in your coverage. If you're not sure whether your current policy meets your needs, or if you'd like a second opinion, we're happy to help. Whether you're a homeowner, condo owner, or renter, we'll walk you through your options and answer any questions. No pressure, just real support. You can call us at 800-637-4676, email us at info@profinsprog.com, or visit our website insuranceformmembers.com.